Welcome back to English Snap Lab. Hello everyone, I am so thrilled you've joined us for another episode. Today, we are tackling a topic that is a huge part of our daily lives and our identity, our jobs and our career aspirations. I'm Hazel.
And I'm Jack. This is such a practical episode. Whether you are currently a student, a teacher, a stay-at-home parent, or working in a corporate office, knowing how to describe your work and your future goals is a vital skill for any English learner.
It really is. In many cultures, one of the first questions you get asked when meeting someone new is, "So, what do you do for a living?" It's the ultimate conversation starter in professional settings.
Exactly. And for our beginners, what do you do is just a short, natural way of asking, what is your job? Hazel, let's start with where the magic happens, the workplace.
There are so many options now. You might work in a traditional office, a school, a hospital, or a factory. However, many people today are working remotely or from home. This means you use digital tools to do your job instead of commuting to a specific building.
I personally love the flexibility of working remotely, but regardless of your location, everyone has daily tasks. These are the specific duties or responsibilities you handle every single day. For example, a software developer might say, I write code, while an administrator might say, I organize schedules or handle paperwork.
My daily tasks involve researching linguistic models, preparing lesson scripts, and recording these sessions. When your list of tasks is very long, we say you have a heavy workload.
Having a heavy workload can be stressful. If you have too many deadlines, which are the dates or times when a task must be finished, you might feel under pressure. But if you manage your time well, you can still find job satisfaction.
Job satisfaction is that wonderful feeling of being happy and fulfilled by what you do. It's not just about the salary, it's about feeling that your work has value. Now, Jack, what about the people we share our workday with?
We call them our coworkers or colleagues. Building a good rapport with your colleagues is so important. Rapport is a fancy word for a friendly, harmonious relationship where people understand each other well. It makes the workday much more enjoyable.
It really does. Now let's look ahead. In interviews, you might hear the question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? They're asking about your career goals or your long-term plans.
Career goals are the milestones you want to reach. For some, the goal is to get a promotion. This means moving up to a higher position with more responsibility, a new title, and usually a better paycheck.
For others, the goal might be to switch careers entirely. This is when someone decides to move from one industry to a completely different one, like a banker deciding to become a pastry chef. It's a big change, but it can be very rewarding.
That's a bold move. Another very popular goal is professional development. This involves taking courses, attending workshops, or learning new software to improve your skills. Many people want to climb the career ladder.
Climbing the career ladder is a classic idiom. It describes the process of making steady progress in your profession, moving from entry-level roles to management or leadership positions.
But we have to remember the most important thing: work-life balance. This is the balance between the time you spend at your job and the time you spend on your personal life, with family, friends, and hobbies.
I truly believe that a healthy work-life balance is the key to avoiding getting burnt out. We want to work to live, not live to work. Jack, I think our listeners are ready for a challenge.
Definitely. We want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell us, what do you do for a living, and what is one professional goal you are working toward this year? Whether it's learning a new skill or finding a new job, share it with us.
We find your stories so inspiring. Before we go, please make sure to subscribe to the English Snap Lab channel and give this video a big like if it helps you today.
Share this with your friends and colleagues. Maybe you can practice these phrases together during your next coffee break.
Thank you for being part of our community. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, you are doing a brilliant job with your English.
You're definitely on the right track for success. Until next time, goodbye, Hazel.
Bye for now, Jack. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.